In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store authentication error. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to try to sign out your Microsoft account. And once you have signed it out, try to sign it in again and check if the problem has been fixed. And if not, then let's proceed to the search bar here. Please type for store. Then wait until you can see a best match, which is the Microsoft Store application, before we navigate to the next solution, which is to repair and reset it. So please make a right click on the Microsoft Store and then go with App Settings. And then scroll down, locate for repair and reset, click on here, and wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you are done with this, restart the PC and check if the error has been fixed, okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.